let's continue with circles SAQs. So take the first question. Find the value of k if x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x plus ky minus 8 is equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So first let us write given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 is 0. So from this circle equation we find GFC. So G is minus 1, F is minus 1, C is minus 1. After getting GFC we will find radius. Radius is root over G square plus F square minus C. Root over 1 plus 1 minus C is minus 1. Minus of minus will become plus 1. That is root 3. So we got radius as root 3. After we get radius, we will write the given equations of the straight lines. Given equations of straight lines. What are they? X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And 2x plus ky minus 8 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, we get L1 is equal to 1, M1 is equal to 1, N1 is equal to minus 5. From first equation, we take L1 as coefficient of x, M1 as coefficient of y, N1 as constant term. The same way we get L2, M2, N2. L2 is 2, M2 is k, N2 is minus 8. Now after getting L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 and R, we write the condition. So since given lines are conjugate with respect to the circle, then we have a condition. What is the condition? L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2 is equal to R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2. Now we substitute the values. L1 is 1, G is minus 1, M1 is 1, F is minus 1, minus N1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus. Now coming to the second bracket, L2 is 2, G is minus 1, M2 is K, F is minus 1, minus N2 is minus 8. So minus into minus become plus. That is R square. R is root 3. So R square will be 3. Into L1 is 1, L2 is 2. M1 is 1, M2 is K. Now open the brackets. Minus 1 plus 5 into minus 2 minus K plus 8 is equal to 3 into 2 plus K. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here 6 minus K is equal to 3 into 2 plus K. 3 cancel on both sides. You are left over with 6 minus K is equal to 2 plus K. Minus K, take that side, 2 this side. So 6 minus 2 is K plus K. 4 is equal to 2K. So K is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay. So this is the next question. Find the value of K if Kx plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is 0. First let us write given circle. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is 0. So g is minus 1, f is minus 2, c is minus 4. Now we will find out the radius. So radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. Root over 1 plus 4 minus of minus plus 4. That is root 9. Root 9 is 3. So you got radius. Now we will take the given lines. Given line equations are kx plus 3y minus 1 is 0 and 2x plus y plus 5 is 0. From the first line we get L1, M1, N1. L1 is k, M1 is 3, N1 is minus 1. And then L2 is 2, M2 is 1, N2 is 5. After you get all the values, since lines are conjugate, we write the condition. What is the condition? L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2 is equal to R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2. Okay. Now L1 is K, G is minus 1, M1 is 3, F is minus 2, minus N1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Now the second bracket, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 5 is equal to R square is 9 into L1 is K into 2 plus 3 into 1. So minus K minus 6 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 9 into 2k plus 3. Okay, so the last part I am doing over here. So minus k minus 5 into minus 9 is equal to 9 into 2k plus 3. 9 cancel. This minus if I multiply inside we get k plus 5 is equal to 2k plus 3. K if I take that side it becomes k and 3 if I take this side we get 2. So k is equal to 2 is the final answer. So take the next question. Find the angle between the tangents drawn from 3, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. So first let us write down given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 is 0. So whenever angle between tangents question is asked, you first draw a circle, take an external point P and draw two tangents. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. This is the center. This is the radius. Now you join CP. This full angle is theta. So this half angle will be theta by 2, no? And this is length of tangent. We know that length of tangent formula is root S11. So we apply tan theta here in this. This is a right angle triangle now. Now if we apply tan theta by 2 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So R by root S11. This is the formula for angle between tangents. This formula we are going to use now. So they are asking to find the angle, which means we need to find theta value. Okay, now from the circle equation, what is GFC? G is minus 3, F is 2, C is minus 2. So for what is radius? Root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 9 plus 4 minus of minus plus 2. That is root 15. Radius is root 15. Okay. Now we will find out S11. S11 means substituting the point in the circle equation. You get S11. So 3 square plus 2 square minus 6 into 3 plus 4 into 2 minus 2. 9 plus 4 minus 18 plus 8 minus 2. 9, now 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Minus 18 minus 2 is minus 20. So S11 is 1. Now we substitute the form in this formula. Tan theta by 2 is R by root S11. So tan theta by 2 is R is root 15 by root S11 is 1. So tan theta by 2 is equal to root 15. So theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse root 15. And theta is equal to 2 tan inverse root 15. This is the angle between the tangents. Now take the next question. This is also important. Find the locus of P where the tangent drawn from P to x square plus y square is equal to a square are perpendicular to each other. So here what is given directly, they are not asking you to find angle between the tangents. Angle is given in the question. You have to find out the equation, that is locus of P you have to find out. So again the same way I draw the circle, I draw a point. This full is theta, so this is theta by 2. Okay, this is a point, this is the center, this is the point. Okay. Now here it is given that this angle is 90 degrees given. Now let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus. So what is length of the tangent formula? Length of the tangent is root S11. Okay. And what is the given circle? Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. And what is given angle? Given angle is theta is equal to 90 degrees. What is the formula? Tan theta by 2 is equal to R by root S11. So here in the place of theta we take 90. So this is 90 by 2. R is A because it is in standard form. So with which equation should I compare this? X square plus y square is equal to R square. So in the place of R you have A here. So which means radius is A by root over S11 means what? I should substitute the point in this equation. Point is x1, y1. So x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Now 90 by 2 is 45. That is equal to a by root over x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Now we need to substitute tan 45 value. We know that tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to a by root over x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Now cross multiply, you will get root over x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to a. Now squaring on both sides, you get x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to a square. Now take this minus a square that side. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 2a square. Now what is locus of p? Now you replace x1 and y1 with x and y. So locus is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Take another question. This is also important. Find the equations of the tangent. Find the equations of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So first let us take given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is 0. Now see, let us draw a figure. We need to find out equation of tangent. Tangent means a line which is touching the circle. This is the tangent which we need to find. This is the center. This is the perpendicular distance. And also this is the radius. Right? So whenever there is a line which is touching the circle, that means radius is equal to perpendicular distance. Now we need to find equation of the tangent which is parallel to this line. There is a line which is given as x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now whenever there is a line which is parallel to some line, its x and y coordinates will be the same, only the constant changes. So what is the equation of this line? X plus y plus some k. We don't know what that constant is. So parallel lines only differ by a constant. XY terms will be the same. Okay. So we are given with this circle equation. So from this circle equation, let us find GFC. G is minus 2, F is 3 and C is minus 12. So what is the center? Center is minus G comma minus F, that is 2 comma minus 3. So this center is 2 comma minus 3. Understood? After finding the center, we find radius. Radius is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 4 plus 9 plus 12. So radius is equal to 5 because this is root 25. So radius is equal to 5. Now what is equation of the line given? Equation of the line is x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now equation of tangent parallel to this line, parallel to x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0 is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 1. Okay. Now, since equation number 1 is a tangent, so what is the condition I told you? Then R is equal to D. Whenever a line touches a circle, condition is R is equal to D. With the help of figure, I have shown you how R is equal to D. This is radius and also this is perpendicular distance from the center to the line. Understood? Now, how to find out R? R is same as perpendicular distance. Now, I apply perpendicular distance formula. What is that? Mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. This is perpendicular distance formula. Now, what is radius? In the place of R, I am substituting 5. Now, on the right hand side, I wrote perpendicular distance formula. No? There I will be substituting the values. So mod 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 3 plus k. By a and b is 1 and 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. So 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 plus k by root 2. So 5 is equal to k minus 1 by root 2. So k minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. I am cross multiplying and I am removing the modulus. When we remove modulus, we get plus or minus on the other side. So k is equal to 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Now after getting k value, substituting k in equation number 1. So you will get x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent.